Hello, my name is David Samuji. Welcome to another t-shirt daily design tutorial with your host, David. I'm the owner and founder of What a T-shirt Design. I don't want to bore you with this one, so I'm going to get straight right to it. After saying, please keep yourself safe. Please keep yourself safe. This is a trying time. Yes, my channel is feeling it. I can see you guys are not engaging the way you guys normally do. I understand, and I just want to tell you guys stay safe. Please, you guys need to stay super safe. Don't stress out, don't fear, don't panic, just stay safe, please. I would advise you watch this video to the end if you want to learn how to design t-shirt. I release daily t-shirt design video. There's not going to be exception. I'm going to be releasing tip videos, but if you want to watch more tip videos, I'm going to be having exclusive videos on my Patreon. So if this is something you're interested in, you want to be my patron, then feel free to join me on Patreon. It's going to be the first link in the description. I want to give a shout out to my new subscribers. You guys are amazing. You guys are amazing. I really appreciate you guys. You guys are really doing good. So if you see your name here, you guys are really amazing. I really appreciate you guys. So without wasting much of your time, let me go straight right to it. So I'm going to open Canva for this. Please, if you're just joining me for the first time, I'll advise you to watch to the very end so that you don't miss any single part of this video. I release video daily. I don't think there's any other t-shirt designer on YouTube doing that. If there is, let me know in the comments. I really want to hook up with such person. It's not easy, but I'm doing it for you guys. So the best way you guys can help me is to join me on Patreon, and you get exclusive your questions, those deep dive questions you guys want to ask, like how to promote your shirts and how to design from scratch. Those kind of videos is going to be uploaded on my Patreon. So if this is something you're interested in, please make sure you click the first link in the description. You can buy me a coffee. You can buy me a coffee, but you still get my exclusive content any which way. I don't plan on releasing any course on this site. I don't plan on selling any $100 or $150 course for you guys. I just want to give out free information. So please, that is the only way you can support me to keep me going. I really appreciate you guys. So the standard for this is 4500 by 5400 pixel. So create new. I want to be super fast with this design. I don't want to take your time. It's 11:35 p.m. where I am right now. As you can see, 11:35 p.m. So I'm trying to get this out for you guys. So please follow me. So now you scroll down to where it says upload. It's going to be a very simple design. It's not going to be complicated. So click on upload. Go to download. Let me look for my download. So this is it. So I'll just click on this. Open. So I'm going to allow it to load here. You can see it's going to be an amazing design. I'm just going to find a way around it, find a great space for it, and just put out something new. So I'll click on it once for it to appear on our canvas. You can see it has appeared on our canvas. So now what I'm going to do next is just to over my mouse to this edge and just increase this a bit. So now I'll position this in the middle. Okay, now it's positioned in the middle. So I'll go back to text. Go to text. I'll just find text. This one should work. So if I click on it, as you can see, it has appeared here. So I'll make it bigger. The way I make it bigger is to do my normal over my mouse to that edge, this edge, and drag out holding your left mouse click button. So now I'm going to ungroup this layer because I don't want some of those texts. So I'm going to just delete this one. I don't want. Delete this. I don't want either. So I'm left with this. I'm going to do Control A. Sorry. Just gonna Control A. So now this is gonna say Dubai. Gonna say Dubai. So just make it, as you can see, just make it wide enough so that you can take in that space. Let's make it wide enough. just taking that whole space. Here we have it. I want it to still go bigger because I want it to take the whole top, the top layer. So I'll just keep adjusting it till it gets there. Okay, I think this is it. Please Dubai. So now we have that there. We have that there. So I'll just increase this picture a bit to match that. Yeah. So now we have that. So we just move it a bit. So now that we have that, you can decide to leave it as white, but I just want to take a clue from the colors. So I'll just go to color and make this blue. Yeah, I think I'm okay with this. This would have been a great color, but super dark, so I don't want that. So just okay, I think we can work with this. So now that we have that, we just click on download. Just click on download. As you can see, you can't download transparent background, so I'm going to show you how to do that. Please, I hope you're still thinking around. This is a design. You just have to go through this process, watch these videos to the very end if you really want to learn. If you are here to learn, I would advise you to always watch to the very end. Yes, some people might have dropped out now. That's because they didn't want to learn. They don't want to make passive income from t-shirt design. If you are one of those people that want to make money from t-shirt design, I would advise you watch to the end. So now we open this folder. This should be our design. Just wait for it to load here. So we just open in Photoshop. So if you join me on Patreon, you're going to be getting, I'm going to, based on polls, I'm going to be asking what design do you want to make, what tags do you want to have. So I'm going to be doing tag research for you guys and all. That's where I can help you guys. The same tag research, the way I do tag research for myself, that's what I'll be doing for you guys. And depending on the level at which you pledge or if you support me, I'm going to be making designs for some people. So if this is something you're interested in, make sure you support me by joining my Patreon, being my patron. I really appreciate you guys. So now I created a new layer, click on layer 0. Now I'll click on this magic word 2 and I'll just click on this white background to get it off. You can see I've gotten that off, so I'll just click on this white again and get it off. So now we're left with just Dubai and the pictures. I'll save this. Save as. Remember, we need to save it as Dubai without the background, so we are saving it as PNG. Very important. If you save it as JPEG, you're going to get the white background, so it's very important to save it as PNG. Very important. So go to pictures and just save it there. You can see it didn't take us so many as much as you'd have expected it to take us. It didn't take us as long as that. So now you can just upload your design. Go to sites like Match by Amazon. I don't use Match by Amazon, so I'll just say my two favorite sites are Teepublic and Redbubble. You upload your design, find good tags. You can check, if you scroll down my channel, you'll find my video where I talk about how to do research for tags. So you just go through, get your tags, upload your design, and just keep making designs. You can decide to make, I can give you hint on what to design. You can just keep making designs for popular cities, popular countries, tourist sites, and the rest. There are a lot of them, and you'll be super amazed by the time you're done making 150 or so designs and start getting sales. That's how it works. To your right, you see a playlist. Make sure you watch through those playlists, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Have a lovely day. Stay safe, please.